Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning our course ChatGPT Artificial Intelligence tutorial. In this chapter you learn about how use ChatGPT, what is the introduction of AI, how useful for us. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I am software engineer. Last 4 years I am working in Udemy. Here I have done BS Computer Science and Master in Computer Science. I have published about 30 courses in Udemy. That courses 1 lakh plus students enroll different countries on Udemy and other platforms. I have published 2 research papers on search engine optimization and wireless networking. You can find my profile and Google Scholar. What you learn in this course, the course outline, introduction of ChatGPT. What is the ChatGPT? How can create account? I guide you process step by step. How create user account? How can ask any questions related to your domain? What are you asking? How use create for accounts? What is the AI? What is the importance of artificial intelligence? What is the applications of AI? How can post article with ChatGPT? How can create article contacts? How write programming code? Especially that's very useful for programmers, learners, computers. So it's help you create. How can create YouTube video, title, description, keywords. Also that's help you step by step in this stage. What is the AI? AI is the branch of science which deal helping machines find complex solution problem for more humanly like fashions. It generally involve borrowing characteristic for human intelligence and applying them for algorithms in computer friendly. It is the branch of AI, especially the ChatGPT designed for AI. Open AI is the company who developed the ChatGPT. Why AI? Why we use AI? Because AI is now very useful and every field of world trying to implement AI use on every field of life. Here I am explaining how can creating your account, your first name and second name. Then here is how can ask a question. Here I explain how can you ask a questions. What is the AI? They are explaining AI is the artificial intelligence is field of computer science. Details you can find in course. Here login, how start in creating account. Here's asking a questions. How can ask questions programming? It's help you create for you program code. I have asked here in how I have creating a video YouTube, so they help me creating keywords for the my topic. I ask fuzzy logic, keywords like fuzzy logic, artificial intelligence, machine learning, decision making, fuzzification, defuzzification, fuzzy set, fuzzy rule. These are keywords they create for me. It's help every life in field here, like they are helping for human and healthcare field and also helping for peoples in the drone cameras. Right here I ask a questions about for loop. They are creating for me the loop. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. Thank you. See you in chorus.